Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the giveaway of the Fifine C1 microphone kit that I reviewed a couple weeks ago. You can hit that link on the card to watch that review. And also, before anything else, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can get notified when I do uploads on the channel. Also, a like is gonna be greatly appreciated. It's really easy to participate. You just go to the link on the description below, hit that link. That's gonna bring you to the Gleam IO system. They are the ones in charge of the drone, and it's really easy to participate. You just go and hit to the links, go to the entries, and the more entries you get, the more opportunities you have to win this item. Make sure that you have a valid email, because I'm gonna reach out to you once Gleam do the drone on next Friday. They're gonna send me who was the winner. I'm gonna reach out to you through your email. Make sure that you have a valid email, because you have to answer back within 24 hours so I can actually send this item to you. And if that person does not answer within the 24 hours, I'm gonna go to the runner up and do the same and reach out to that person and make sure that that person answers so I can actually give this to the right person. I'm gonna thank Fifine to sending this product out and making this giveaway possible. And I'm gonna thank you guys for watching my videos, and just don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.